Sing you a song, if you will give ear, of a young suckling foal and a foolish owl mare. I'll tell you then how it did come to pass. The mere her foal, they went to church to hear mass. Ta-da-da-diddle-dum-dal-de-fal-de-diddle-dum-di-do. And that's the first song I learned, the mare and the foal. But it was a comical song. And I started collecting the songs. I realised how important that the songs was. You know, and that were actually part of travelling culture, bringing the songs around. You must be troubled the store, last night you came, stood on the moonlit floor, you called again. They kept the songs going when settled people forgot them. Say like in the 1950s and 60s when Elvis and the Beatles come along, it become uncool to sing traditional songs. You're dead for 7 long years. I would say about 20 years ago, I realised I never heard anybody singing them songs, only my mother, you know, and my uncles. So I knew that they were special, so I started writing them down, you know, and collecting them. Great songs. I have over 1,200 songs belonged in our family that was collected of my uncles, my mother, my grandfather. It's still a great old spot, London, you know, but it has changed. You know, I don't hold no great love. My love was always for home, even though I'm here 43 years. You know, like I'd love to get back home. Jack rambled out through the green woods alone. He came to a castle of stone, great stone. To be recognised by the most Irish of the Irish. You know, the people who held on to the language. So it's a huge, huge compliment and a great honour. Fair maids, will you buy my green broom?